Hey, let no man pull you as low as to hate him. Keys.
They don't want you to have a luxury life. The key is to have a luxury breakfast.
What's going on, you guys? Jacq here with Jacq and Key Boutique. Got a lot of stuff to show you guys from the new year. We've been to the thrift. I'm gonna run through this a lot more quickly than I did my last time doing a thrift haul. I realized after looking back through it, took a lot longer than I needed to, showing off pieces. So starting out, I'm gonna show this Kentucky piece. Got this Kentucky Wildcats hit white collar. And I'm not doing these in any particular order. This is from a couple different thrift spots. Got this butterfly all over, button up right here. That's Key style. You saw this probably in one of the thrifted videos. This is the dress that Key pointed out that I went and grabbed. Real nice paisley print on that right there. Got this vintage Fila windbreaker right here. Fila zipper. Next up, again, this is Keisha style. Got this Coldwater Creek denim jacket with these stars all over it. Real nice hits on that. I found all of these sweaters. I found like 4 Ralph Lauren sweaters right in a row in the women's section. This one's orange with the blue logo right there. This one is teal with like a purple logo. This next one is pink with the baby blue logo. And this one is like a zip up. It's got the pockets right there, detailing on the sleeves. So this has been featured on the Depop Explore page. Next up, got this vintage Catalina button up. Real vintage vibes, cut and sew on that right there. Got a sweater from Club Room. Real nice stripes on that, vintage stripe pattern on there. I'm surprised this hasn't sold already. Probably what we got it priced at. Might drop the price $5 or $10 here soon. But this, and for any American enthusiast, this is crazy, especially for wintertime. This American flag, Old Glory on that. Next up, got this Nautica plaid, all kind of colors, pocket on it right there with the Nautica logo. This right here was half off, so the Goodwill in my area charges, I think, $4.29 per shirt. So this ended up being half off. Chaps by Ralph Lauren. Got this striped Tommy Hilfiger button-up dress shirt. That's a vibe right there for sure. Then we got this Ralph Lauren custom fit polo striped shirt. Still got the tag on it from Marshalls. Got the buttons on it and the Ralph Lauren tag right there. So that's brand new tags. Next up, we got this Nautica, starting to get into some heat. Got that good old Nautica competition, mustard colorway, mustard on the beat. Shout out to Paul Cantu, learn from him, the sleeve don't deceive. So I thought this was some heat right here. And when I went over there and grabbed it, Nautica competition on the sleeve. Got the end right there. Next up, got one of these Army Btu jackets. I think the last one on our Depop sold for $20 shipped. So this should do about $20, $25. That's a smaller size, so it'll probably go for a little bit more. Next up, got this Good Times, not Good Times, Good Vibes. The McFreely Rogers Foundation print right there. Mr. Rogers Neighborhood. Next up, this is a modern Nike shirt. Said it's all about the U. Got the U on the back and it's doing some cracking. It adds to the character of the shirt, so picked it up. I think it might have been half off. Next up, got this Jordan basic kind of essential tee. Jordan quality inspired by the greatest player ever. That's an easy $15, $20. Got this Bazinga, the Big Bang Theory t-shirt. If you know what the Bazinga phrase is. Got this Adidas, got this Adidas, the 3 Stripes brand t-shirt right here. This is a modern shirt, but print on it's kind of nice. Real big print on it. Get about $10, $15 out of that on Depop. Got this Universal Studios, all the different movies that have kind of came out that have been blockbusters. Jurassic Park, Spider-Man, The Mummy, Incredible Hulk. Real nice graphic on that, crazy colors. Got quite a few different Jordan shirts from the thrift. All of these Jordan shirts that I've got right here showing y'all, they all came from the same store. This right here is a Brooklyn Mars. Got the Martian on there, going out of space. Next up, Got this Do You Know Air Jordan 3 from Nike, long sleeve. This is size medium, screen printed tag. Then on the back, Air Jordan, Air Jordan, Air Jordan, whole lot of Air Jordan. Got this vintage 2X Nike basic, essentials tee, Travis Scott vibes. Just a basic embroidered check right there. Nothing on the back. Got the silver Nike tag right there. Next, we got this England. I don't know what to call it. If it's a soccer shirt or what. That's the vibe it gives me from Starter. Got a Starter tag right there, large. And you got a Starter hit on the sleeve right there. Got another, probably around the like 2000s Nike tag right there. Nike on the front, then another Nike on the back. This right here, I'm gonna go ahead and speak this into existence now. I'm gonna get Ja Morant to sign this. I ain't gonna lie, I ain't even watched a Murray State game outside of him playing, but the first game I ever seen him playing, I was an immediate fan. I'm gonna probably go to a game, try to get as close to the floor as I can, and then try to get this signed by Ja. Said Go Racers on the back, and got a real big print on the front. Next up, we got this vintage polo. I've had quite a few different of these sell and like similar patterns on our shop for about $15, $20. This should do about somewhere in that area. Real nice colors on it. Got the navy blue and green right there. Stripe pattern. Next up, got this Chase Authentic. It's a modern screen printed tag. Big hit on the front right there. Casey Kane. Then on the back, got Casey Kane looking into his eyes right there. Then you got the card going around the side like that. Crazy shirt right there. Next up, got another Adidas Flamingo shirt. Real nice print right there. Size large. It's a modern shirt. Probably get $10, $15 out of that. Found this vintage Gildan Ultra tag right here. PTSD. For anybody that's dealing with PTSD, it's a lot to deal with. This shirt right here, post-traumatic stress disorder. Don't leave them behind, they're not home yet. You always gotta keep those people in mind that might be fighting wars. Some people are back home and still fighting wars within their minds. So that's probably gonna be a personal for a little bit because I can relate to that shirt. I don't wanna leave nobody behind. Next up, we got this Drake 2012 Away From Home LLC. I think this was from the album Take Care. That's probably a $25, $30 shirt right there, especially because it's officially licensed. So official Drake merch from his beginning stages kind of his career. He's like a veteran now at this point. Still ain't did my taxes. I'm too turned up. You're a veteran when you get to that point. Next up, we got this new with tags, JR Motorsports, NASCAR, Dale's Pale L on the back right there. Still got the tag right here. It's a screen printed tag on the inside. Next up, we got this Friends television series t-shirt, screen printed tag again. This is a more modern one. Classic American TV show right there, Friends. Next up, got this Maroon 5. What's it say? Maroon 5. Dirty Looks from Your Mother. Maroon 5 Tour 2018 right there. Got this Nautica yellow, super bright yellow essentials with the Nautica logo on the back right there. Nautica tag right there. Got this Nike Team University of Kentucky Wildcats draft fit polo. It's got some kind of like checkered texture to it. Next up, we got this Ralph Lauren Blake fit button-up dress shirt right here, stripe. Real nice dress shirt vibes right there. Next up, we got this Fat Farm polo. It's like those early 2000 vibes. Real nice stripe pattern on that right there. Got this Styx band World Tour, American World Tour, I guess. Yeah, all of these places on the back is America. Styx World Tour shirt. I don't know much about that band. If you're a fan of them, let me know how old that shirt is, when they did that World Tour, because I tried to do some research on it and I couldn't really find out. They did quite a few different world tours. I can't really date that shirt for sure, but if you know more about it than me, just let me know down below. This right here, crazy. Single stitch, McDonald's worldwide, embroidered right there with the little globe in the center. Essential t-shirt. Instant nostalgia right there on that one. The fade on this shirt is just ridiculous. Like, when have you ever seen a McDonald's logo like that in recent times? Next up, got this Don't Hate MLK t-shirt, Martin Luther King Center, University of Kentucky. Some kind of collaboration, I guess, because you got University of Kentucky on the sleeve right there. Then on the back, you got Martin Luther King Center up in the top. And then you got the quote from the great MLK, "Let no man pull you as low as to hate him." Keys.
They don't want you to have a luxury life. The key is to have a luxury breakfast.
They don't want us to win, so we gonna keep winning. Next up, we got this Budweiser Dale Jr. shirt right here. Probably look real nice cropped or either tucked in for a female. Got that oversized fit. Or for my dudes, got that vintage Chase Authentics tag right there. Made in Pakistan. Got this 2011 University of Kentucky Final Four. The road to the Final Four with the tournament players on the back right there. They didn't win it this year. They won it last in 2012, but this is the year before that. Anytime you go to the Final Four, something memorable. That's the T right there. Then last but not least, the 3 favorite picks that I had from the hauls going to the thrift recently was this button-up dress shirt right here from Tommy Hilfiger. Like, when I knew I was gonna get that shirt regardless if it was Tommy Hilfiger or not. Whenever I was picking through, I spotted it and saw all of these different crowns on it, and I was like, what is that? Once I picked it up and seeing that Tommy on there, I was like, oh man, I ain't never seen nothing from Tommy Hilfiger like that. It's usually like the red, white, and blue colors that brand is known for, and just a whole lot of kings right here. This right here is a sweater got from the same thrift store. It's a Nautica US2 or JUS2 sweatshirt. It's just screams 90s right here. Definitely $100 sweater, easily. Got the Nautica tag right there. And then I just so happened to find this bag at another thrift store that matches this right here, like 90s color blocking all the way. Throw that bag on there. And this is a lunch tote, but we're gonna repurpose it into a side bag. We do what we want, not what we told. So that's a side bag now. It is what it is. Again, thank you guys for tuning in. If you enjoyed the content, leave a like below, smash that subscribe button. Then after you do that, hit the notification bell, because YouTube ain't gonna let you know every time I drop this new hot content if you don't hit that notification bell. So I need you to do that. I need you to subscribe, so when I drop the new video next week, you're gonna be the first one to know about it. You need to hit the subscribe button and let your friends know. Let your granny know. Let your mammy know. Let your brothers, sisters, cousins know that Gully Jack's coming every week with this new content for the free 99. And it's not gonna stop no time soon. Subscribe. I'll see y'all next week. Peace, love, and thank God it's a new day.